Hello and good afternoon. This is Paul Reiber with Freedom Motors USA in Battle Creek, Michigan. Today I'm going to show you a couple Chrysler Pacificas that we have slashed thousands of dollars on the internet, special internet clearance prices. They're both 2017 models. This red one here, this dark cherry red, is got 41,000 miles on it, bucket seats, leather interior, wheelchair accessible, Freedom Motors conversion, freshly converted. So it's got the bucket seats, brand new floor, just converted. This one here is only $34,995. Beautiful, gorgeous Touring L. This is the luxury model. Leather. Interior. 41,000 miles. We've got another one over here. It's also a 2017 model with only 17,000 miles. Brand new converted. Wheelchair accessible rear entry Neil van made right here at Freedom Motors. Freedom Motors, we have been in business for over 30 years, and we specialize in wheelchair accessible vehicles. We started with minivans, we branched off over the years, and we now offer pickup trucks and Suburbans, SUVs, Kia Sorentos, Yukons, all sorts of cool vehicles. So this one here, both 2017 models. The red one's got 41,000 miles. The gray one here was one of our original conversions. So it's been used as a demo. So it's not brand new. So it's only priced at $32,995. So this one's actually $2,000 cheaper. Only $32,995 for this one here. Only 17,000 miles. Bucket seats. Freedom Motors wheelchair conversion. This one's got the cloth interior. They both got dual power sliding doors. Power rear hatch. The red one is the higher end, so it's got the remote start as well. They both have backup cameras. The burgundy red one has heated leather seats. This one's like brand new. They're both like brand new. Beautiful vehicles. If you're in the market for a wheelchair accessible vehicle, here at Freedom Motors, we got a huge selection of vehicles that are like brand new. And since we are the manufacturer, we do the conversions right here. There's not a middleman, so we sell factory direct prices right to the consumer, right to the customer. So it's pretty cool. If you're interested in a wheelchair accessible vehicle, please give us a call, 1-800-625-6335. That's 1-800-625-6335. We're in Battle Creek, Michigan. We offer free in-house demonstrations. We have sales reps in the field, coast to coast. Beautiful. Just one of many, many vehicles. We have hundreds of vehicles in stock here at Freedom Motors. If you're in the market for a wheelchair accessible vehicle, please give us a call, 1-800-625-6335. We offer nationwide shipping. Beautiful. Check out our entire inventory at freedommotors.com. And please click the subscribe page on the YouTube page. And thanks for watching my video and have a great day.